Here at Rob Green Auto Group, we're having the biggest sale of the year going on right now. $99 under invoice. It's pretty easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You come in, pick out a vehicle, any vehicle. Second, we show you the invoice. Easy as that. 3, that's how you save lots of green here at Rob Green Auto Group. You know what? We're taking in trades. We're doing all kinds of stuff. Let me tell you this, best inventory of the year. We brought in all of our staff. Everybody's here, 8:30 to 7 p.m. Come see us.
Buying a car at Rob Green Nissan is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. You pick the vehicle. 2. We show you the invoice. 3. You save lots of green with 99 under. Just check out the all-new Nissan Altima, redesigned for 2013. And the best car for your money with the first time for these kinds of prices on a new model. And take a look at the mighty Titan with a $4,000 rebate on top of the best price of the year. Or choose 0% financing and save thousands. That is how you save lots of green at Rob Green Nissan. 73 Green. That's 734-7336.